A is for
Are you my mum?
B is for
Brought together by the sheer majesty of an incredible superpower team.
C is for
Can I interest you in a sunbeam to lie in?
D is for
Divorce!
E is for
Even if he was wearing black socks and sandals when I first met him.
F is for
Fine, just take it.
G is for
Greetings, tulip illiterate.
H is for
Hop in my body! It's not as weird as it sounds.
I is for
I hope you choke on her perfect cookie cutter wall.
J is for
Did I just hallucinate a train station?
K is for
I kept my eyes open during the scary part.
L is for
Looks like I'll have to start writing his obituary.
M is for
Maybe even a little more.
N is for
Null, it means nothing, not even a zero.
O is for
Okay, game, you're supposed to be working, but watch. I'll press play, and you're just gonna die.
P is for
Plato says love is a serious mental disease.
Q is for
Because they're in a liquid and that's how they float?
R is for
Randall, slip in the cracks, Randall.
S is for
So you've come to bring me the sweet release of death.
T is for
That's not the point, Jesse.
U is for
Ugh, too many syllables.
V is for
Vision, my good man.
W is for
Why are you putting sunglasses on a deer?
X is for Y is for
Young pretty ladies around the world.
Z is for